How to add an audio effect to all of the clips on the timeline of Vegas Pro. I have these 3 clips on the timeline. The top portion is the video and the lower portion is the audio. So let's go here to the audio, and there are these 3 dots. Click on those and Track FX. Click on Track FX. This window opens and choose an audio effect that you want. For example, pitch shift is clearly noticeable. Click on the OK button to add it. The effect is enabled, but nothing is modified yet. So the video sounds like this without the effect. And if I drag this, notice it's higher, or that way it's lower. Now if I go to the second clip, that also has a different sound, and the third one is also deeper. Now if I modify this to the right, now all 3 of them sound different again. They are much higher. So this is modifying the audio of all of the clips on the timeline. If you want to get rid of this, then simply use this remove selected plugin. It has a red X, and this will be deleted. And now it's back to its original sound. So this Track FX is adding audio modifications to all of the clips on the timeline.